Gift Osalo Siziba aiwa anova biza ari kudhonza navanosonCHAMISA ari kublue movement amiramira nemacivil servants akatsvaka kuti idi mnangagwa unfulfilled promises haundi civil servants aiwa amiramira navo akati unyangoita kupinda muworkers day asi ndombomira nemacivil servants sanapinda mashoko atagwa naOsalo Siziba panoti bva wasubscribe like utina on the bell icon. So anoya panapa pa-X endo pake unyora achiti, as we approach workers day tomorrow, we express our solidarity with the government employees who find themselves in dire stress. Their salaries have been decimated by inflation and excessive taxation. It is heartbreaking to hear how they struggle to provide for their families, unable to avoid basic necessities like health care and education due to insufficient wages. The mismanagement and corruption plaguing the current government has squandered resources instead of being allocated where they are needed most. We need better leadership with better policies to ensure dignity and fairness for all workers. Do mashugano yachitogwa panapa naOsalo Siziba akati aiwa maresources ari kusquandewa ari kufanira kushandisiwa chiprovider services kune ava vagari vemuZimbabwe nemacivil servants achiti aiwa tava kuda mabetter leaders, tauda leadership iri nani. Mashoko ari advocatewa naGift Osalo Siziba. Chipotudzeni mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro mashoko ake penai comment section medu. Sangano subscribe, like, share notina on the bell icon.